Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I offer tips and tricks on how to make money on YouTube. I also offer tutorials just like this to teach you on how to make money on YouTube. And today I've come with yet another video to explain to you what you should do for you to go full-time on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. So as I said, I would like to talk about what you can do for you to become a full-timer on this very platform. And then the question of the day is, at what level would you like to become full-time on YouTube? Maybe tell me, how many subscribers do you want to achieve for you to become full-time on YouTube? Please answer that in the comments below, and I'm very sure I'll look at that and also give my thoughts. So we shall talk about the 7 things that you should know for you to become full-time on YouTube. And of course, you will not have any regret to why you left your job, any regret to why you became a full-timer on YouTube. So my friend, these are tips that you should know and you should practice for you to make it on YouTube. I also made some other videos on how to make money on YouTube. Please find links in the description and make sure that you watch. So the first thing that you should know is that you pick something you are passionate about. And I think I talked about this. Make videos about a topic or a niche that you are interested in. If you choose a niche that you don't have a passion in it, you are going to have it so rough to make videos. You will make videos for 1 month or for 2 weeks and you are already worn out. So choose a topic or a niche or something that you have passion in it and that will make you become, happy making videos about. So for example, I decided to make videos about Photoshop on my other channel. My other channel is called Aero Productions. Please find a link in the description. Go and check what I offer. So on that platform, I teach people how to use Photoshop because I like Photoshop and I like graphics design. So I find so much peace when making such videos and I don't even tire. So make something or choose something that you are passionate about. Number 2, you should have a differentiating factor. My friend, that niche that you're choosing, there are so many people who are making videos about that same very topic. So what will differentiate you from other creators? So I would advise you, watch what they do, watch these successful people, what they do on YouTube, but do not copy what they are doing. In fact, you just pick something from what they do and make a video that is very unique, that is very peculiar to your audience. So that one will give you a go ahead. It will give you something better than someone who just copies what other people are doing. So my friend, people are making so many videos about what you're thinking about, but then it is very, very important that you make videos that are very unique and that are very peculiar from other people. So this will boost your presence on YouTube, and my friend, you are going to shoot and you'll make it on YouTube. Number 3, I think I talked about this, that prioritize quality over quantity. And I was talking about this statement that content is king. My friend, content is king. So if you do not offer the good content, then why should people watch you, right? So you should offer content that is very good, that is very valuable. At least when someone is watching your videos, he or she should have that feeling that, yes, I'm watching videos from Kazungu Duncan and I am getting something out of it. So make quality to precede quantity, because it doesn't matter how much you post, but what matters so much is the value that people get from your video. So, and that's why I said this. If your audience don't get value from you, then why should they subscribe to you? That's a question you should be asking yourself. If I do not get value from a certain video, then why should I go and subscribe? For example, for me, when I'm searching for something online, especially on YouTube, then I find someone who has made a video and I try that thing and it works out. that one I have said to myself, it is an automatic subscription, because at least I've got some quality and some value from this video. So what the good thing I can do is to the payback is just for me to subscribe, right? So if people don't get value from what you offer, then why should they subscribe? So my friend, prioritize quality over quantity. Number 4, be consistent. This is the hardest thing, because most of us post, maybe the first time you're joining YouTube, you are so very much psyched. So you post every time, you post every day, you post every week. But then it reaches at a point that we lose that consistency. So my friend, you have a lot of ideas, make videos about those ideas. Then after making those videos, you can schedule them. So for me, when I finished campus, I gave myself a challenge, and I said to myself, I am going to be posting at least 3 or 4 times a week. So I could create content about Photoshop on my channel, Aero Productions, and I was posting frequently. And I reached at a point after 2 or 3 months, I decided now to go 2 times a week. Then I scaled it down to once a week. And it is working for me, because my friend, I was able to stabilize and be consistent in my posting. So if you are consistent in posting on YouTube, my friend, people will gain trust in you, and they will know when to expect a video from you. So you can upload maybe the 10 videos that you've made on YouTube, then use the YouTube inbuilt schedule for you to schedule your videos when they are going to be released to public. So my friend, be consistent in your posting so that your audience will know how often they would expect a video from you, and that is very, very important. Number 5 is cultivate a community with your audience. Some of us just want to make videos and just leave it that way. No, you should create a community with the people that you are serving, or the people that you are posting the videos to. So do not rely on YouTube recommendation alone. What if YouTube ceases to recommend your videos? Then what will happen? At least create a community with your audience, so that in case YouTube does not recommend your videos, at least you have a platform where you can post your videos. So this is an example. Just like I've said, you know, in Aero Productions, I'll give so many examples using Aero Productions, because that is my main channel. And I now developed this hashtag. You know, you can develop hashtags on your platforms, maybe Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Then you tell your audience to be using those hashtags so that, you know, you can engage with them. So I created a hashtag called Aero Review, where that if you make a poster or if you make a composition, you can post it on Instagram and hashtag me, so that when I'm going through my hashtags, I may be able to see your post and maybe give my comment. So that one gives you, or creates a community with the people that are watching you. So create hashtags and tell people to follow you. And in that line, I'm saying, in case you would like to follow me on Instagram, please follow me at Duncan Atenya. This is my Instagram hashtag, Instagram username, sorry. So follow me at Duncan Atenya. And in case you want to post something and tell me, hey Kazungu, I was able to make this, or I was able to follow your video, just use the hashtag Aero Review, and I'm sure I'm going to review that. So ask your audience to follow you on Instagram, on Facebook, and even on Twitter, and I'm assuring you this will gain you traffic from even outside YouTube itself. Number 6, seek to always improve. My friend, most of us say that I need an expensive gear, I need big cameras for me to improve. My friend, you can always improve with what you have. Don't say that I need expensive gear for me to improve. I now have over 8,000 subscribers on this channel, and I have over 2,500 subscribers on Aero Productions. And my friend, if I tell you what I use, I know most of you know what I use. I only have my Android phone and this laptop. these are the things that I have, and a few lighting. But then the expensive things that I have, it is this Android phone that I'm shooting on and this laptop. So with this, I am able to improve every time. And of course, I've added a lav mic. I don't know if you can see it, but I have a lav mic for my audio, right? So speaking of lav mic, you find that a video is 50% audio. And what do I mean by this? People will choose to watch a video shot on an Android phone, but with better audio, than watch a 4K or 8K video, and you find that the audio is so poor. So my friend, you can also visit the links in my affiliate links. You can find a link to where you can buy yourself an a lav mic for you to improve on your audio. So people will choose to watch a video that is shot on an Android phone but has a better audio. And mark this, that a video is 50% audio. So most of you say we need red cameras, we need, I don't know. My friend, just use what you have and always seek to improve. The last the last tip, number 7, is experiment. And this is the fun part of it. You know, before you stabilize on YouTube, or before you understand what exactly you want to do on YouTube, it is better you experiment different things. And for example, for me, I have experimented so many things. I like experimenting, by the way. I try Photoshop tutorials, I try Premiere Pro tutorials, I try Illustrator tutorials, I try inspirational speaking or speeches, I try motivational speeches, I try making videos about money. I try so many things. Then I post them and see what makes me become popular, or what makes me, or what people likes. I also post videos to do with reggae mixing, and people truly love my reggae. So I am usually experimenting. So my friend, it is a high time you experiment and see what works for you. Then cling on that what works for you, at least for you to earn something on this very platform. Just like Mr. Beast, maybe you may say that I am giving so many examples about me. I'm giving because I have an experience on YouTube for about 4 years now. So I think I have something to share with you, right? But then if I just go to another person and I show you what he is experimenting, somebody like Mr. Beast, he did several examples. So he started with playing Minecraft. I know some of you know of the Minecraft game, right? So he started playing Minecraft. Then from there, he went to challenges like counting from 1 to 100,000. Just look at that. How can you count from 1 to 100,000? So he gave himself a challenge. He counted from 1 to 100,000. He counted from 1 to 10,000. And he tried challenges like giving out free cars, and challenges like eating the world's biggest or largest pizza, and many other challenges like filling a pool with the dollars and all that. These are challenges that he gave, and from that, for sure, it worked for him. Now he has over 50 million subscribers out of these small challenges that he did. So please find fun in experimenting and see what works for you. So my friend, I don't know what ideas you have. I don't know what comments you have from this video. Please let me hear what you are thinking of in the comments below. Let us interact more in the comments so that I can know what you are facing, what you are doing, and what niche you are in. And remember the question of the day: at what level would you like to go full-time on YouTube? And in case you follow all these very points that I've given you, the 7 of them, it is very easy for you to go full-time on YouTube. My friend, YouTube is a fair platform, and I love it because it does not involve shortcuts. If you're looking for shortcuts, then YouTube is not ready for you. Just go for something that you want, put in more effort, and YouTube will be the best platform for you. Otherwise, I hope this video has been so very much helpful to you, and if that is the case, don't forget to give me a like, and not only a like, my friend, subscribe and also ring that bell so that you do not miss any other future tips, tricks or tutorials on how to make money on YouTube. Otherwise, I hope I will see you in my next video. Peace.